Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A30s, and today I will show you how to perform a hard reset of the device through the recovery mode. And this process will also remove a screen lock if you have one that you, for instance, don't know the passcode to. Now, I have one and I'm going to proceed with the process as though I don't know it. So, number one, you want to shut off the device, and as you probably already figured out, you can't really do it without the passcode. So if you try it, or is it not here? So it's, there we go. So if you try it, it will tell you that you need to draw the pattern. So we need to forcibly shut it off, and to do it, you want to hold power key and volume down, and you want to have the screen on so you can see when the display turns off. So power key, volume down, and once the display turns off, you want to switch from volume down to volume up. So let's do it. Power, volume down, keep holding. It turns off, I switch to volume up. And we're now in the recovery mode. So from here you'll use volume keys to navigate. So volume down goes down, volume up goes up. And you want to select wipe data, factory reset, like so. And once it's selected, press power key, confirm it, and then select yes, and once more power key. Then at the bottom you will see the dialog box with data wipe complete as a last entry. And reboot system now should be selected by default, so all you need to do now is press power key once more to reboot the device. Now the process of resetting, it will continue in the background even though the screen or the phone won't really show anything. So it will take a little bit longer to turn back on, but just be patient, and once it's finished we should be then greeted with the setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device as however you like. Now, once the setup is finished, you will have no screen lock, at least not the prior one, and only the one that you might set up or as an option throughout the actual setup right now. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.